A for apple, B for ball, Q for Kate, D for dog, A for egg, F for fish. Well done and welcome to Miss Masiwa's classroom. Okay, so my first question to you is, did you attend the previous lesson, the previous video? If you didn't, please go and attend. Okay, because we are going to continue from where we left. So in the last lesson, we were talking about alphabets and we also talked about vowels. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this. I said, please don't read the alphabet. Don't name the letters of the alphabet, but you sound the letters. Okay, like we don't say A. No, we say A for apple, right? We don't say B, we say B for ball. Okay, we don't say C. No, we say K for Kate. Okay, and I said, when we are making words, when you are writing spellings, or when you are writing any word, even your name, where do we get those letters? We get them from the alphabet. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the vowels, and we have got five vowels only. So in our previous video, we did one vowel only, and we said we are going to continue with the next vowel. Okay, let me show you the vowels before we look at the vowel that we want to look at today. Okay, let me show you the first one. We have got five. So the first one is A for apple, right? Okay, let's put it here. This is A for apple. The second one is A for egg, right? Okay, let's put it here. Perfect. Then the third one is E for ink, right? This is E for ink. Let's put it here. Perfect. The fourth one is this one. This is, yes, it's O for orange. Perfect. Let's put it here. This is so nice and so easy. Okay, the last one is this one. Okay, this is R for umbrella. Okay, let's put it here. So how many vowels do we have? We have got five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A for apple, A for egg, E for ink, O for orange, R for umbrella. Let's do it together. Okay, sounding the vowels. Let's start here. A for apple, A for egg, E for ink, O for orange, R for umbrella. Yay! Clap hands for yourself. Okay, perfect. So yesterday in our previous lesson, actually, we talked about A for apple. So we are not going to repeat A for apple. You have to watch that video. If you didn't, please go and watch that video. Then you come back and watch this lesson. Okay, so we are going to remove this because we did it in our previous lesson. A for apple. Okay, So today, are we going to do 1, 2, 3, 4? No, that is too much. One at a time. So what are we going to do? Today we are going to do the second one, which is A for egg, right? So we are going to remove these ones so that we focus with one. Then in our next lesson, we'll do the other one until we finish, okay? So we remove these ones. Okay, so today we want to talk about A for egg, okay? We said this is A for egg. A for elephant. Perfect. Okay, so we want to make words using A. And it's very easy. I'm going to tell you the secrets. Okay, and when we are making words, we must make words that are meaningful, like egg. Do you know an egg? This is an egg. This is an egg. Like elephant. Do you know an elephant? Yes, this is an elephant. Yes, so the words must be meaningful, the words that we say when we are talking, when we are playing at school, when we are having conversations, we can use those words. They must be meaningful. Good. Okay, so we are going to make words and we are going to make short words. But in each word, we have to make sure that there is A for egg. Okay, so we are going to start with the first one. So I'm going to borrow some letters from the alphabet because I can't make a word with A only. I need some letters so that some letters from the alphabet so that I can make a meaningful word. Okay, so I'm going to start with this word. Okay. And this sound is B, B, B for ball. Okay. Then I put A. Then I put okay. So we want to read this word together. B, A, D. B, A, D. So when we put all these sounds together, this word becomes bait. Bait. Let's say it together. Bait. Bait. Well done. Okay, this is our first word with A. Okay. So we are going to make another word with A. Listen carefully. It's very easy. Okay, I'm going to start by putting this letter. What is the sound? This is our A. This is our A for egg. Then I put G, G for girl. I put another G for girl. So we want to read this word together. What is this word? So we are now putting these sounds together to make a word. So this is A and G. G. So we are going to put the sounds together and the word becomes A, egg, egg. Let's read together. Egg, egg. Well done. Well done. Okay, we are going to make a third word. You see, this is very easy and very interesting, right? Okay, so we are going to make another word with A. Okay, look at this. We are using letters from the alphabet, but we have to know the sounds of those letters. Okay, I put this one, then I put this sound, Then the last one. Okay, so what are these sounds? The first one is S for snake. This one is E for egg. The last one is T for tin. Okay, so we are now putting the sounds together to make a word. Okay, so the word is set. Set. Let's read together. Set. Again. Set. Well done. Yes. So what I want you to do now is to make your own words with our vowel E. Okay? I want you to make only 5 words with the sound E for egg. I only want 5 words, and which are short like mine, but don't copy my words. Please make your own words with E. Okay, I'm going to show you the ones that I've made on my own with the vowel E. Okay, the first one is egg. Yes. Okay. The second one, and look at my work. It is very neat. Yours must be neat too. No cancelling. You must write your work on a paper using a pencil or a pen. But I know you are still young. You must use a pencil, right? Good. Okay. My second word is red. Red. And look at each word. In each word, there is E for egg. Here, there is also E. Good. Okay. My third word is this one. Okay. Let's read together. Leg. 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 Well done. Clap hands for me. Well done, Miss Masiwa. Perfect. Okay. I made another word with M. It's this one. Let's read it together. Bed. Bed. Do you know a bed? You sleep on a bed. That is a bed. Okay. Another one that I made on my own. And look, this is very neat, right? So I'm going to put it here. And let's read it together. Set. Set. Clap hands for me. Well done, Miss Masiwa. Perfect. And the last one that I made on my own is this one. Okay, let's put it here. And let's read it together. Hen. Hen. Do you know a hen? This is a hen. This is a hen. Yes. So let's read the words again together. Hen. Egg. Red. Leg. Bed. Said. Yeah, you see, this is very easy. So what I want you to do, you take your pencil, you take your paper or your book, then you write 5 words with a sound. After writing those words, what do? You go and show mommy, or you go and show daddy, or you go and show your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, so that they can tell you if it is correct. If it is correct, they will call me and tell me that you have made correct words with the sound A Okay, so see you next time when we are going to look at the next vowel, which is E for ink. Bye. I love you.